Uh, Hello everyone and welcome to the defense ceremony. Hello everyone and welcome to the defense ceremony presentation. We're from the FromLabs and UI/UX Revamp and test team, and today we have to present our work to you. Anyway, I would like to present you our member. Firstly, we have Mr. Vian who works at who is a project manager and business analyst. Along with that is Mr. Jordan Khoi, who is a tester and work alongside with me, Lê Trọng Huy. Along with that, I would also like to present our supervisor, Mr. Trần Duy Quang, and our clients, the people from FromLabs Solutions, Mr. Indra Vijaya, Managing Director, and Mr. Butcher. Here is our agenda for today. First is our introduction, our process in contribution and achievement. Here about our clients, FromLabs. FromLabs is a styling company that incorporates technological offering to communication, learning, and activity-based process. And one of the products that they want us to look into is FromLabs Event, an event management software that helps with things like registration, ticketing, and event-related transaction. All things that can help with managing event more smoothly. As FromLabs Event grow and develop, the number of functions continuously increase, and because of that, the current UI/UX was insufficient. So we took up this project with the goal in mind to improve the FromLabs Event UI/UX design, streamline it in a way that can accommodate all the current functions has in a better manner. The scope of our project, here the scope of our project. First, we analyze the current software and find out what all of the function it has and what it can do. Secondly, we compare with similar event software management on the internet. Along with that, we find out just what people expect from an event management software when they buy it or use it. Third, we investigate and report the pros and cons of our event management software. And fourth, we propose UI and UX modification that will address the pros and cons that we found out during our research. And fifthly, we designed the new UX that we will design the new UI UX based on the modification we propose. And while our original goal was to report and justify the improvements made due to the clients having already designed their own UI UX improvement. Our scope shift to testing and reporting on the old system to find out about the flaws of it and make it more visible. Yeah.
Hello everyone, I am Hoi, the tester and also the designer of the team. So I will continue to deliver to you guys about the method that we use. We apply the user-centered design methodology to our project because the first one, let's figure out what is the definition of it. The user-centered design methodology is design philosophy that focus on gaining a deep understanding of the user, of the end user, which could make the final product more efficient and effectively. It is also the framework that ensures the needs of the users is at the core of the project, especially on the design process. The UCD process starts with the users and ends with the individual solutions that are related to the user's needs based on a variety of research and analytics and also design techniques. So as you can see, we have the original and typical user-centered design have three major phases of work, which is evaluate, analysis, and design. And all that three phases are all focused on the user at the center. But our methodology we have to redesign the methodology a little bit to fix with the HI environment of our clients are using, and that have 5 different phases, which is the research, concept, design, develop, and testing. The actual process, we divided our process into 7 different phases, but still related to the 5 phases of the UCD process. The first 2 the project initial and planning, and also market and end user research, which is the first phases of the UCD. That is the research process. The second process, which is the concept, we analyze the system and also create the user flow. That took us about more than 4 months. And we moved to the third phases, which is design a new user interface. And the last 2 phases, which is develop and test, it is the end of the process, which is we create UI checklist and perform usability testing. And there's also the last phase, we justifying the test result and also create a report. So this is our deliverable result at the end of the project. At the research phase, we deliver to the client a market research and analysis report, an end user, and also an FLE system analysis report. And at the concept, we'll deliver to the client more than 70 user flow, paper sketch, and also all report of the sketch on the computer. And the design process, we design two different system new UI design, and we also have the paper sketch for that. And the development phase, we have planning some pseudocode, and but our actual work is we do not apply the new design on it, and at that phase we shift to the testing the current system based on our client requirements. And the last one, which is the test phase, is very important because that is the last phase. We have to give more resource to our client, and we give our client the UI test result, and also conduct usability test. So as you can see from the screen, that is our system. It's like the old one before the redesign, and after that, and we will give you a detail about it.